everyone, today I'll be teaching you how to memorize Roman numbers. So first of all, you need to remember the basics representative of each number. So let's start with the simple ones. I is for 1, V is equal to 5, X is equal to 10, L is equal to 50, C is equal to 100, D is equal to 500, M is equal to 1000. Now let's see and talk about if we want to change big numbers into Roman numbers. We need to use big numbers. So V bar is equal to 5,000. X bar is equal to 10,000. So if you want to memorize this set easily, the big numbers easily, you can just memorize like this. If V is equal to 5, then V bar would equal to 5,000, because from here to here, you can see that we added 3 zeros. And it is the same pattern with the other numbers. So X, the normal X is equal to 10. But if we add 3 numbers, it would then equal to 10,000. So it's the same pattern. You could use the same method of recognizing the numbers with the bars. The L bar is equal to 50,000. C bar is equal to 100,000. D bar is equal to 500,000, and M bar is equal to 1 million. So this is like the representative of each number in Roman numbers. So you need to memorize this set of number in order to know how to write the Roman numbers. So I would have some examples for you so that it would be easier to understand about Roman numbers. So for example 1, CLVI. So first of all, we needed to separate each number into sets of numbers. So this would be C plus L plus VI. C is equal to 100 plus L, which is 50. V is 5 and I is 1. 5 plus 1 is equal to 6. So that means V and I equals 6. So now the answer would be 156. The next example would be XXVI. x, vi. So first of all, we need to separate this set of numbers into each value. So there's the ones, tens, and hundreds, right? These are the hundreds, then thousands, then blah, 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 blah. But these are the simple ones. So let's start with the x. X is equal to 10. X, because this is 10 and 10. V is equal to 5. So that's another value. So we will separate them into another value. So this would be V, and then I. I is equal to 1. 5 and 1 are in the same value, are in the ones place. They're in the same place. So I'm going to place them together. X is equal to 10. 10 plus 10 equals 20. Plus V, which is equal to 5, I, which is equal to 1. 5 plus 1 equals 6. The answer would be 26. So these are easy examples. Now let's try big numbers. CMLXXIV. So now we need to determine which letter is in which place value. So first of all, we know that C is equal to 100. M is equal to 1000. How can C be in front of M? If a small number is in front of a big number, that means they are subtracting. So that means, C and M, C is smaller than M, but it's in front of M. That means C and M are subtracting each other. So I'll put C and M together. Then now we're going to determine in the next value. L is equal to 50, and then 10, 10. So they are in the same value, like place value. So we can place them together. So it would be L, X, X plus I is equal to 1, V is equal to 5. They're together. However, they're the same situation as the first two letters. The smaller number is in front of the big number. That means they are subtracting. But they're in the same place value. So I'll put them together. Then we can determine it in the second procedure. So now for M equals to 1000. And C is 100. The smaller number is in front of the bigger number. That means we need to subtract. 1000 minus 100 equals 900. Plus L equals 50, X equals 10, and 10. Is it in the right order? From greatest to least. It's in the right order. So we can just add 50 plus 10 plus 10, which is equal to 70. Now we will determine this group of numbers, 5 and 1. 5 is greater than 1, but it's at the back of 1. That means they are subtracting. 5 minus 1 equals 4. So this place value would equal to 4. Now the answer would be 974. So this is the hard example. So hope that you guys enjoy this video and learn more about how to use Roman numbers. Thanks for watching this video. Bye!